guys, welcome back to my channel. It's milahgold here. So first things first, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button, like this video. It's about to be lit, okay? As you can tell from my excitement, this is my first time doing passion twist. Actually, this is my first time doing any type of twist. I've done braids and I've always done braids on my hair, but I've never ever done twist. So first we're starting with my natural hair, and guys, look at the growth, okay? Look at the growth. So let's get started. For this passion twist, we are doing the crochet method. So actually I'm going to do the crochet method for the back, and then I'm going to do the individual rubber band method for the front. And this video, I saw this tutorial from a girl on YouTube called KINZEY, and I really love her channel. So shout out to you, girl. Love your channel, love your videos. You literally saved my life, because Lord knows I ain't got the time to sit down and be doing this stuff one by one. Like, if you guys, shout out to people that actually sit down and braid their hair. That used to be me, but girl, I ain't got that time no more. Today we're gonna braid my hair back, but what I did, actually, this might actually be different from what KINZEY did, or KINZEY. I might be saying that wrong, but yes, forgive me, please. What I did was I crocheted half of the back of the hair, so the other quarter, I guess, I left it out to do, I cornrowed half the back of my hair, and then the other half I will do the crochet method, so that way I could put my hair up in a bun and you won't be able to see like the little bumps from the cornrows on my hair. I don't know if that made sense. So I'm just parting my hair and I'm using the rubber band. I'm gonna make a separate video on how I did the parts, even though I completely screwed and messed it up. If y'all want to see it, I'm gonna make a separate video. I'm actually gonna redo this hair because I did it when I was so tired. It was late at night and I just did whatever I felt like doing at that time. So I feel like I'm gonna do the front part of the hair again. So I'm just showing you guys how I parted the hair, and I used the rubber band method. So I sectioned my hair, and as you can see, the sections are not even neat or anything, but please forgive me. Please don't thumbs down my video, okay? I tried my best, okay? I tried my best. Anyways, so I'm using this crochet. It's called the Tiana Twist, and it's from this company on Amazon, and it is it's actually pretty good. Like, I really like the color. It came in a pack of 7 inside of it, and as you guys can see, it already came pre-twisted, and the ends is what I was just so in love with. Like, look at the ends, y'all. Like, I love this color, and I love the way it was kind of like nice at the end, nice and curly at the end. So I'm just doing a simple crochet method, taking my loop through my cornrows and just looping my crochet. You know, like, just follow what I'm doing. There's actually no way to really explain this. Just kind of loop your hair through the cornrows. A tip that I'll give you is to not make your cornrows tight. Trust me, do not make your cornrows tight, because you're gonna struggle with looping your crochet through the cornrows. That's just one of the tips that I have. I'm making a separate video on what to do and what not to do. Like, I learned obviously from doing this, I learned what not to do, so I'm going to share that in a separate video, so stay tuned for that, guys. Another thing too, I think like, just pick a color that is your hair color, because look at this. But anyways, in the end it turned out looking good, but I don't know, man, because my hair is super dark, and then this stuff is really brown. So what I had to do was take my Eco Styler, and I used that on my hair to kind of like let my hair stay in place, so that I could kind of blend it in with my crochet color. With my crochet. So I kind of like hid my dark, super black hair with the brown crochet hair. I tried my best, even though I feel like I should have gotten just a black color, but the black color that I saw was just black, and I wanted something like with that gradient ombre effect, and this was the only one that I saw. But there could have been more, but this was the only one that was available. This stuff was sold out. Like, y'all are really like feeling this passion twist wave. Like, anyways, I really do enjoy it. I really do love the passion twist. Like, it's very nice, actually. So I understand why it's sold out. So all I'm doing is just twisting my hair, literally, guys. That's all I did. I ignore my ugly freaking face. Like, I don't know what I was doing there. As you can see, I was so tired. Like, I was struggling to do this video because I had work the next day. I was not about to go to work looking like a house girl. But yeah, so as you can see, I'm looping the braids through my hair. And like I said, make sure the rubber band is not too tight because you need the hair to go through, you need the crochet to go through your hair. So make sure that it's not too tight, because you could always tighten it up actually. So I'm splitting the crochet into two, just loosening it up so that I could twist the crochet hair. So as you can see, I'm seriously just twisting it, and I'm trying my best to hide my dark hair into the brownish goldish colored hair. So in the end, I think it worked. I think I hit it pretty well, but I would advise to get a color, especially if it starts from your scalp. Like if you're doing the rubber band method, get a color that is close to your actual hair color at the top, because I don't know, it was kind of a struggle for me. So at the end, I'm just twisting it with my hands. I used a little bit of Eco Styler to kind of lock the twist in place. And that's literally all I did around the hair. As you guys can see, I'm kind of using that brown hair to cover the dark hair. It's not bad. Like, I don't think I did a bad job, but it would have been so much better if it was actually a color that was my actual hair color. But it's okay, I still liked it. It came out really cute. I really liked it. So what I did was use my Eco Styler. As you can see, I used that to kind of hold the hair so that I'm able to blend the hair nicely with the crochet hair. So use Eco Styler or gel or whatever you have that's sticky and will hold your hair in place is what I use. Oh, by the way, I need to talk to you guys about my freaking red eye. I'm sure someone's gonna mention it, so let me just go ahead and just go ahead and talk about it. Yes, my eyes was reacting to something. I didn't know what it was, but hey, y'all, thumbs up to me because I still recorded that video. Like, it wasn't hurting, it just was red. So the next day I went to the doctor's and I got it checked, so I'm fine, y'all. I'm not going blind, I promise. But I knew someone would talk about it, so let me just expose myself real quick. I remember this one video that I did. My knuckles were all like, I used my straightener to burn. I burnt my knuckles with my straightener, and like someone came on my video talking about how I was fighting. I was in a fight, and that's when my knuckles were all bruised up. Y'all, I beg, leave me alone. Okay? I don't be fighting. Okay, something's wrong with me, but yeah, that's what happened. My eyes were reacting to something. I don't know what it was. It was just red, but it didn't hurt. Nothing happened. I'm not going blind. Like, I have healthy eyes. It was just, I think I was just stressed, and I also rubbed my eyes, so maybe that's why it was really red. So yeah, that's why my eyes were really red. You guys can see it's not done yet. I still have the back to go, and I left the back because I was scared that I was gonna run out of hair. So I left the back because even if I ran out of hair, I could just put my hair back and no one would see the back. But thankfully I didn't run out of hair. I'm putting my mousse, and the mousse is just gonna help to just make everything look nice and neat and sharp. That's why I used the mousse. I used it all around my hair, and y'all, that's pretty much it. Like, I tied my hair down my edges, and I just kind of put some hair jewelries on my hair, and this color came out so nice, so pretty. Like, I am like so in love and obsessed with this color. I look at the ends. Like, I'm gonna do an unravel video and probably unravel this and wear that also, so just to see how it looks, because it's just so pretty. But yes, overall I love this hair. It's the Tiana Twist. It's from a company on Amazon. Everything will be in the description box. Thank you guys so much for watching my videos. Thank you guys so much for your love, support, comment, feedback. I want to wish you guys every ounce of love, joy, happiness, and success, and I'll see you guys in my other videos. Also stay tuned, because I'm going to make a video on how to style this hair, what to do and what not to do. Okay, I'm coming back with the full-on passion twist series. Okay, so hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss that. Okay, bye guys, I love you.